Most welcome student. This is Utkarsh Tiwari chemistry faculty. Now student we are coming the next part of surface chemistry and today we are discussing the Friedrich adsorption isotherm. Today we are discussing topic is Friedrich adsorption isotherm. Remember that this explain the relation of degree of adsorption with pressure. We know that degree of adsorption is represented by x upon m. X means amount of adsorbate and m means amount of adsorbent. So he was find out the relation with the help of the graph, and graph is that x upon m, and we draw the with graph with the p, and graph is moving like that way. This is the graph. This point is x upon m is directly proportional to p की power m. This is at low pressure. It means amount of adsorbate deposit in adsorbent is directly proportional to partial pressure of P. Clear? Now the next one, this the slope which explain x upon m is directly proportional to P की power 1 upon n. This is actually at moderate pressure. And the last one, this is explain x upon m is does not depend on the pressure. This is at high pressure. It means there is no effect of the pressure on adsorption. Clear? But you must remember that. What is the point of the remembering? Frederick do its experiment, did its experiment is actually find out x upon m is directly proportional to p की power m 1 upon n. Means that one is explained that whatever the actually change in adsorption at a moderate pressure, because in all most of the reaction is going on at a moderate pressure. So this law is actually applicable for moderate pressure. Now we are coming the next page when we see that. So Frederick explained x upon m is directly proportional to p की power 1 upon n, means x upon m is equal to k p की power 1 upon n. If we take a log, so log x upon m is equal to log k equal to, you can say that 1 upon n log p. If you imagine this is a m, this is a m, and mx means straight line equation c. So you see that 1 upon n is equal to m, means equal to slope. Clear? And log k is intercept. Clear? So we find out the graph like that way. You see the graph is actually, we find out for that one especially is that this is log x upon m is given the straight line equation. This is the explanation of intercept log k. This is the explanation of slope 1 upon n. It means the whole graph is explained that whatever the adsorbate deposit on adsorbent, it's depend on the straight line. It means follow this line, and actually why it will be depend on the moderate pressure, because in the most of the reaction moderate pressure is going on. Clear? So this is a Frederick adsorption isotherm. In the next part we are coming to what is the effect of the pressure on adsorption. Now we see that effect of of pressure on adsorption. Now we see it. What happened? The first graph is explained x upon m, and t graph, this is a coming like this is straight, that one, as well as the temperature is increases, adsorption is decreases. This graph is actually for physical adsorption. This is for physical adsorption. Clear? Now you see that with the help of the graph, as well as decrease the temperature, increase the temperature, decrease in the adsorption. Clear? I am writing over here on the basis of graph, find out decrease in x upon m with increase in temperature. It is exothermic and weak van der Waals force. Clear? Now we are coming the chemical adsorption and its effect. Now we see effect of pressure on a chemoadsorption, means a chemical adsorption. So what is going on? Now we see it. This is the graph between x upon m and t. This is coming like that way. first increase then decrease. This is actually going on for chemical adsorption. Means first increase and then decrease at constant pressure. This is a chemoadsorption's graph of x upon m and with T. Now, you must remember that Frederick equation Frederick equation for solution. It is like that x upon m is directly proportional to c की power 1 upon m. C is a concentration of adsorbate, means x upon m बराबर के c की power 1 upon n. Okay, this is the equation for if the solution is going on. Clear? So here we are discussing the adsorption isotherm. Clear, students? In the next class we are discussing the next part of the surface chemistry, and this one is a catalyst. Clear, student? So this is the end of the video. Next class we are discussing the next part of the surface chemistry. This is a catalyst. So thank you and thanks a lot.